Hey y'all, I'm Crystal.
I'm Robert, on the Hill Homestead here, and we wanted to jump up here, formally introduce ourselves. We've been filming, but we haven't.
We haven't really made any videos yet. We've just got a lot going on.
Yeah, a lot going on. We're still trying to work full time. It's been challenging, to say the least. We got 2 teenagers, 5 animals, and a 32-foot RV. No power. We have running water. We have a well. We have plans to get the septic in. We do have internet for the kids, but it's been a little challenging. It's definitely one of the hardest things that we've ever done. We've done some hard things before in our lives. We ain't had the easiest road traveled, but we ain't had the hardest either. But we'll definitely start catching y'all up and filling you in, trying to put out maybe 1 or 2 videos a week, just depending on how busy we are with other day-to-day life activities. And yeah, I mean, it's been hard. I know Alan from it's my main cabin now. He's been a godsend. I mean, I've read a lot of things about homesteading, and a lot of them say neighbors is what makes it easier. And man, we got some good neighbors, and Alan's one of the best.
We would not have been able to do what we've done so far if it was not for Alan.
Yeah, I mean, we came up here on a hope and a prayer. I don't know nothing really about building. I got a good back, that's about all. A strong will. I don't like to be told I can't do something. I'm hard-headed, stubborn. But yeah, I mean, we've already got 1 cabin, the bunkhouse we call it, kids' bunkhouse. We've got it dried in, the electric's in, most of the insulation's in. We've started on the main cabin now, and in between the 2 will be like a little breezeway that holds all the mechanics.
Like a mud room.
Yeah, mud room, laundry room. And we're actually down to the crunch time here, so hopefully we can get some videos out and get y'all caught up and get things moving here. But I just wanted to jump on, put this out, and like I said, we'll put some clips in here. You won't see our pretty faces the whole time. But we'll put some clips up here of us building. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching.